The recent COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted more than ever the need for faster, more efficient diagnostic solutions. We have witnessed the most advanced healthcare system in the world being taken by surprise, overwhelmed with continuous flow of patients in critical conditions. One of the weapons to win our fight against COVID-19 is testing. Being able to identify and isolate infected patients is key to slowing and eventually stopping the spread of the disease. But to be efficient, we need to bring those tests closer to the patients, where they live, where they work, where they travel. Credo Diagnostics Biomedical has developed the VITA PCR. Based on the well-established PCR technology, the VITA PCR allows the detection of infectious disease, including COVID-19, in only 20 minutes at the point of care. A true point-of-care solution, the VITA PCR is easy to use with a simple 1-minute hands-on time preparation with minimal training required for operation. It is rapid, from sample to result in 20 minutes only, and improve patient management and triage system. It is also versatile. It can be deployed anywhere with no additional equipment needed and room temperature storage. The procedure takes only 1 minute. After collecting your specimen, you simply lyse the sample into the sample collection buffer and transfer using a pipette into the reagent tube. You then put the reagent tube into the VITA PCR instrument and start the test. After 20 minutes, the results are delivered on the screen. Combining accuracy and speed is critical at the point of care. So is costs. For a fraction of the price of a laboratory PCR system, the VITA PCR offers similar levels of accuracy in only 20 minutes versus 2 to 3 hours for current laboratory tests. With a simple 1-minute hands-on time preparation, minimal training requirements, and flexibility of storage and usage, the VITA PCR is the perfect solution for instant deployment in various settings: clinical laboratories, emergency services, clinics, pharmacies, etc. The VITA PCR is the first and only PCR system currently being used in other high-risk locations, including schools, on board of ships, or even at the airport. Passengers landing in Paris airport and suffering from fever are now being tested on the spot using the VITA PCR so they can be treated and isolated as soon as possible. The applications for the VITA PCR are limitless, especially in these critical times. Allowing a rapid screening for COVID-19 at the point of care helps streamline patients in and out of the hospital. With easy-to-interpret results in only 20 minutes, it can be used in numerous settings, providing results on the spot wherever you are.